cause a problem. Ma potasi yes now Ebuka Obi nwere m onye o mere abortion. E ma akwa mu ma cause commotion ma potasi na Ebuka Obi and then park be ha na plan ya. O me won girl abortion. The girl chi de mu de nwa onwo chi wopu ya da fime onwo. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million because the video go well. So next month. So
everybody listening to this.
Park. Anybody find way now. If you watch my cancer book, or more than when I see Ebuka Obi you money perima. Oh my goodness. Oh followers that can attack or working at Chokwan Kiel. Oh namo. And never becha mebu mum. Amanu Kai Sibayeko Noah. Emeka Tiana from 80-something thousand followers. I know 102,000 followers. If you marry a man and cross, I 150, 150, 200, 300. How about a problem? Because you follow in there. Jesus, I love you now. Now Facebook, nobody go buy you. I put a cool fuga from Madofo. And I bogi you comment social gana boil, you know. And I'm working a bourbon. Ma cause a problem. Ma potasi yes now Ebuka Obi nwere m onye o mere abortion. E ma akwa mu ma cause commotion ma potasi na Ebuka Obi and then park be ha na plan ya. O me won girl abortion. The girl chi de mu de nwa onwo chi wopu ya da fime onwo. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million because the video go well. So next month. So bacherim have a life. Oh ha ge yaro no program I show ka get card so wada no ni ihe na emeni aboko ndị mmadụ people abako bia no ihe. You can't just say give me here ga bosses.
Before I play further, did you listen to this? Did you listen to this against this young man Ebuka Obi? The same people accuses me now na kumugwo. Did you hear this thing now? That they will frame up something. Ebuka Obi no re problem. Did you hear this thing with your own ear? Funny enough, many of those guys sitting around Ebuka Obi, they have heard this voice note. They didn't play it to him. They strike all the bloggers not to play this thing because the person in question of this thing is their brother. Man, another person, they will go to police. Monia arrest. Did you hear this thing? Let me play it again. The whole world, the judge, be the one to judge this thing. Nah, are you hearing what I'm playing here?
I'm hearing you.
Okay. I want you to hear. Only Mogenti. I told you that this thing is about plan deal. Their leaders are aware. Do you see what these people are doing? Hold on. Hello? Yes, I am on live video. Do you want the public to hear you? Thank you very much.
The greatest people that I watch in Facebook. I admire you so much, my brother. I love you so much. Keep up the good work.
Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you. God
bless you. God keep on blessing you. Don't mind what the detractors will say.
Thank you.
You are one of the greatest guys we have that come out from the east of the Niger.
Thank you very much.
We love you. Please remember that whenever you do good, people will always be against you.
Thank you.
I'm one of your biggest fans.
Thank you very much.
From Munich, Germany.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You,
thank you very much, Didi. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So I'm going to play it again. I need you tag them. You will still see some fools amongst them will come here and argue this thing. Did you hear the voice? I don't want to call them, but in case if anybody wants me to send them this voice note, I will forward it. They have done everything to stop me never to play this voice note, but I have many some person's discussion on call. I am that Shanamite, the son of the great Shanamite. You can't even imagine. Let me play it that you may hear.
Next month, J-Pack, ma cause a problem. Ma potasi yes now Ebuka Obi nwere m onye o mere abortion. E ma akwa mu ma cause commotion ma potasi na Ebuka Obi and then J-Pack be ha na plan ya. O me won girl abortion. They get a cheat more than one or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million because the video go well. So next month and next month. So you can't just say give me a guy bosses. So just man announce. So me I give play like.
All right. Did you guys hear this thing? Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo, did you hear this thing? Did you hear this kind of plan? Do you see how these people go far? Do you see how these people go far? Do you see how deep these guys naga to blackmail somebody? Monies are changing hands. They are doing every down thing to bring down this Ebuka Obi, you see. That's his offense. This my governor, you see, I placed on top here, right on the making head your hand. Who was the deputy speaker, Federal Republic of Nigeria? Thank you, Valentine, for watching. Who was the former deputy speaker, Federal Republic of Nigeria? This was how gang up were put up against him. The other man, I attach his picture here. The other man, I attach his picture here, is Chief Ike Deohankim, who was the former governor of Imo State. These two men, tell me what is their offense. Tell me what is the offense of these people. You came from Enugu State. You came and destroyed my state. If I may be my state. You removed innocent people from government. You removed innocent people. They did nothing to you. You removed them. But Ndi Igbo State, and you will stand to support this kind of people doing this kind of thing to our state. They came to our state. They have their own child in unknown gunmen. We say Timo are ablaze. But they are in their own states doing business. That's why I told my brothers Ndi Igbo. The moment you know Nimo Yabure K47, now I'm Igbo unknown gunman. Igbo an animal. Because he went who sense. You think you are fighting Governor Hope Uzodinma, but you are doing these things to yourself. You see why some of these people, you never can trust them. You never can trust these people. You never can trust any of them. This is how meetings upon meetings goes on. Why? Against Ebuka Obi. You know when his problem started? You know when his problem started? When $1 million was donated to his church. They will come here now. They will come to this post. They will be telling me I'm talking rubbish. They will be tagging it one thing or the other. They will be tagging it one thing or the other. They will. Because they want to shut me up. Because they don't want me to talk. And the man Igbo Imo State, Nina joining her name, made this kind of things. You are doing yourself. The moment that money, that 1 billion was announced, immediately they came and rushed after this guy for nothing's sake. But if it is donated to your people, you will not say anything. You will not do anything. Attire they donated 5 billion naira. 5 billion naira. 5 billion naira to the state government. Did we protest against that? Did we start writing and questioning how he got the money? Now, many of you who bases abroad, I don't want to call name because they will target an actual make us a tribal fracas. But I'm telling you the gospel truth. Sink it into your brain. These are their plans and God. Let me play that voice note again. Kino plan people. All of you are gallivanting about him because this guy who made this voice note. But you don't know his target is how to make 50 million naira. That's his target. On the internet.
My cause a problem. My potassium yes now Ebuka Obi onyo mere abortion. My cause commotion, my potassium Ebuka Obi and then J-Pack be a plan or ya. Omewangel abortion. They get a tree de more than one or more. Attire female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because the video go well.
50 million naira is his target. The reason why you are framing up things against this man is because you want 50 million naira. What is his offense? They now that was when they now remembered. That was when they now remembered. Now only wonya arrange. No only the fake. All these things are gang up. If there is nobody to speak up from him, I'm here. Governor Zoki is here. Igbo Imo State, Hejicha, your own village, your own town, raw kidnapping den, kidnappers den. They are using your villages, your backyards, but their own village is fast developing. Man, if they busy, you are aiding insecurity now. Nobody. You are aiding insecurity in Imo State. You know, not support in Hojo. Then when any of your brother Prapo, Ghana Baro Weambo, you would want to pull him down. Morodo, listen. Morodo, all now go know our brothers. So Kunana, no. Orodo TV. Gente.
Oru next month to J-Pack. Ma cause a problem. Ma potasi yes now. Ebuka Obi morum. Onyo mere abortion. Ima kwa mo. Ma cause commotion. Ma potasi Ebuka Obi and then J-Pack be hanya plan area. Omewangel abortion. They get a tree de more than one or more. Attire female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because the video go well. So next month. So bacherum.
Morodo. Did you hear it now? All these people so plan those tribalism downfall another person. Those people see na Hana fight the church, na Hana fight Ebuka Obi. A stone throw from their father's immediate compound in the village, there's a Catholic church. And a stone throw also from their father's domot. There is a place and a refuel, and 1 liter of fuel is 700 naira. Why not buy 1 liter of fuel? Why not buy 1 liter of fuel? Cross over to Catholic church in your village. Tiga Yoko, that place. Since in a fight in church, go there, Tiga Yoko. Man, he jump through those fools who tea black. He gotta confront a pastor. If you want to unfollow me, unfollow Governor Zioku. You will later seek for me. You will later find way to add me back. Any day, you become a victim or any day mebu. These people, they have done too much to us. The highest number of Catholic church on your own place. You people were the ones who came and introduced Catholic to us. You people were the ones who brought your church and introduced to us. Tell me, have you ever gone to any shrine in Imo State, even when a human being corpse? Also mad on Imo State. Have you ever seen it before? Man, no na akpa nda ogwego, ono na akpa nda oshi, ono na akpa ụmụnwaanyị anya nda akwụla. Mana akwụla nke no your own state, gbacha akwụla nke oji azụ pancake zo iPhone. Akwụla nke no na my own state na agba akwụla oji na-azụ onwe na university na take care of her parents. So who is better? Onye obodo gị na-arụ Yahoo, onye Imo State na-arụ Yahoo. Go and check that Imo indigene. Oye eji nke ahụ wee na-azụ onwe ya na school na university. You know, ma adị agwa gị ide afụ ụzọ. We have on the state we have been the states. I think we've won states that graduated the best students and the highest number of students for over 5 times. That Imo you see there, that Imo that you don't want to see their citizens breathe, that you don't, anywhere you see the businesses of their indigenes, you want to clamp them down. When P2B was contesting for president, do you know that my own town person, Mr. Limbo, go and check, Mr. Limbo from Ngopala donated a 4 decking for Labour Party on behalf of P2B, of which P2B came and received it. Google it. In your state as a billionaire you are, as Onyezi Omume, which one did you do for P2B? Did you see anywhere? Did you see anywhere? Because Unu Chokankan Torunu sentiment, and I'm going to be bringing them out one after the other. Did you see anywhere any Imo son Potrabie poster for presidency? Gawagane Emo opposed to P2B in the open. Did you see it? But he came from Enugu Meria. The immediate governor who succeeded Peter Obi Meria. Am I lying? The highest place in Yereonia, one welcome na Igbo bụ n'Imo State and Obashi. Didn't you see it? In your own state, you that get back to Peter Obi, were you able to donate a 4 decking for him, for his campaign? We, the Imolites, we did it. Did we count sentiment? Ole by si mejono. Ke by si we mejono. At all costs, we receive these people with, oh God. We do our best. We produce a conducive environment. We do. During the time of Iri Festival, go and check the 40th anniversary. Go and check what Imolites did. Go and check what Imolites did. Go and check what Imolites did. They came out in mass. We have been the ones supporting. We've been the one doing everything to support you. The moment one of our own person who wants to breathe, you will fight that person down. Somebody said, NTV says, I am from Anambra State, but you are saying the truth. This is what you guys have been doing. In Imo State, Imo State, when a shrine up to 50, you people will fight us down. If our sisters come to your state, this is how you people will frustrate that one. Joe, to pressure. I have evidences. I have laid this from Imo State and complain. Many of them. Many of them complain. Each wedding at the end of the day, Ejo, now one Imo, they are lawyer. Obukuno about the first because of Facebook. I told me say in English. Obukuno about the first people who rise. Listen, neighbor state. I posted the evidences. I can go on and go on and go on. Because your state will be gold. Because your state will be gold. Ordinary Cubana chief priest. Gini nesere ye nogea. Gini nesere ye nogea. The moment if you know you must arise, even to climb on your shoulder rise, yeah, you want to climb him down. Kehendi momeregi. You know you money business. You want to push that one down. Only ma pota. Argument with head of shrine. Argument with the highest number of Catholic churches. Did we fight you? Did we fight you? But you do everything to muzzle down my state. How many of you, Branimo State, go ala we run yolo? How many of you? Only Mo State and you company. What stops you from bringing the headquarters to Alimo? They will relocate all the unknown government. How can relocate each all? How can relocate to all to Imo State? How many of those people in our phone video na cause problem na suri limo? How many of them? Manina support Ihojo. Manina support to evil. Ibrahim said, you will camera face you again. Man, they will a game against you, game against your state. How many governors have they removed? Did you complain? You voted another thing as Onyimo. People, manipulators will come from nowhere. Scatter. So how far is the economy of your state? Manahana have an internet to do it. Chia state you got it. Chia governor hope of them much. And you're comfortable about that. Okay. You are comfortable about it. Manahano na tumble your state, their own state name move. Look at the rat, this boy who got this thing. If you are on social media, on attack you not cut or say nonsense. On not cut or say nonsense.
Next month to J-Pack, my cause a problem. My potassium, yes, now Ebuka Obi onyo made abortion. The Makwamo, my cause commotion, my potassium Ebuka Obi, and then J-Pack be a near plan area. Umewanga abortion. They get a cheat more than one or more. She will be a female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because the video go well. So next month and next month. So bacherum. And that day, Japan. Anybody find way now? If you watch my guys book, on what I'm going to say, because people knew the money, oh my goodness. Oh, followers I can not tackle up and working at Chopin and Kiel. Oh, Namo. And never betcha and my boom. A man Mugai is by Yako Noah. And make a Tiana from 80-something thousand followers. I know 102,000 followers. If you marry a man and cross, I 150, 150, 200, 300. How about the problem? Because you're just I love you now. Now, Facebook, nobody go buy you. I put it cool for Madofo.
So for Governor Ezoku to sell on Facebook, I need to allege something on you. So for them to cash out on Facebook, for them to get followers and make 50 million naira and go buy message, so-called teacher, they need to frame up something against an innocent person somewhere. Then Governor Ezoku, who can stand and tell you they had the wrong, be a fool before you now. Anything our Igbo brothers learn, go and check. Now I got no Facebook na Nigeria abro makanda osa. Obro makanda Yoruba. O makanda Igbo ani. Ego, how did they make anything? They can even lie against. Akwena phone Igbo na put na Facebook no content ebe na nwunye na log. O we da fear. So don't ever join them. Everyone have group. The largest number of them say Anambra State. Ndozana Abake Habunde Nugu. And few guys from Ebonyi, Obunde Boinine, have good friends even from Anambra State, of which many of them are even against this thing. You see what these people are. Are you telling me that the reward upon these things these guys does will not befall them and their children tomorrow? People will lie against you. People will cook up things against you. Ali Muhammad Chono. Obo ne wegoro ko Imo State si nyoro na aka before. Then on e wori ho ojo we kwwazie ho ogwo. Oya adoro no na mma. I wish there is a working and functioning court in Nigeria. I wish there is. Now somebody will sit down and plan this thing. But if Ebuka Obi take action, or anybody take action on behalf of Ebuka Obi, all of you will climb on that person. Just imagine the plan, the gang up. There is one voice note I'm going to play one day online. That one will shock many of you. It's just that if you are doing your things, you'll be very, very careful. I will check. I will ask lawyers. I will check deep if it will not cause problem for me. Because I just about that too far about. I will first ask a lawyer. That one will shock many of you. How human being a planner? How human being? John Nkeyama plan ya ki ya je n'ebe dị otu agaberiela mmadụ S-beat wee kpọọ polisi ka abịa kụsaa ya. Gịnị ka onye a mere? Because he's just a blogger. Very wicked people. Very, very wicked people. How long shall you tolerate and support this kind of things? Help me share this video. How long will you aid this kind of evil? How long are you going to do this? So people should be careful of what they do. People should be extra careful of what you do. When you see fight on the internet, don't just engage on that fight. Look very, very well. There are things we know that we may not share to you. Yes, my brother. Omenala, I've heard you. I know. That's why I didn't post it. Igbo channels, you are a blogger. Think about this thing. Tomorrow they will tell you that I am fighting your state people. Or I am fighting Ndi Igbo. Man against you.
Next month J Park, my cause a problem. My potassium yes now Ebuka Obi nwere onye mere abortion. The ma kwa mo my cause commotion, my potassium Ebuka Obi and then J Park be ha na plan ya. O me won girl abortion. The girl chi de mo de nwa onwo chi achiwo pia da female onwo. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million because the video go well. So next month. So bacherum next month J Park, my cause a problem. My potassium yes now Ebuka Obi nwere onye mere abortion. The ma kwa mo my cause commotion, my potassium Ebuka Obi.
And you know the worst? As they are saying this thing, they will be saying it with full alacrity. You see the kind of people you follow, you see the kind of people you show sympathy. More wicked than the devil. They are basically condemning somebody online, but they are the ones. They will come to accuse me. They will come to say all manner of things about me. Remember, let me invite you. Hence, you want to join. They will be the ones to talk down on somebody. They will be the ones to even, they will accuse you on the social media space. It will look real, but they are the major devil. This is what they do. They don't have conscience. They don't have conscience. Because they will even go as far as accusing. They will tell you that I'll be going internet. Now I ask them. Since Obwego blogger ka ndị ọzọ na-achọ, while Obwego blogging ka gị nwa na-achọ, what are you doing at the internet space? What are you doing there? They will call you blackmailers, but they are the main devil. Their brothers, even Ebuka Obi needs to be more careful. I am this time around. I go open up to the end. I don't care. All right. Some of them around him will know. They will keep quiet. You are fighting churches. You are going out to go and stop preachers at the junction, maybe in another state. But around your junction, there is a cathedral there. You have not bought fuel. You've not gone to buy 2 liters of fuel. Go ward the church. Buy your cup. Before you cross to another place. You've not come to River State. Go where David Ibiome. Yes, call my number. Call my number, brother. Call my number. Say something. Please. Okay? Come here and say what you want to say here. People should learn. People should learn the gospel truth. That's very simple. They are ready to do everything just on the internet space. To get money, to get what they fame they want, they can lie, frame up. That was how one Okoko came and said that I am a rapist, and said severally on the internet that I am an ex-convict. And I have just instructed my lawyers to wait late targets, because you will prove what you don't even know. I'm not Zion. Somebody just said, I am sorry for believing this guy against Ebuka Obi. Brother, thank God you can see this very truth and evidence. You see what these guys are doing. The cook is on the internet, jumping up and down, blah, 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 blah. Internet. But the moment I say Ebuka Obi should be careful of them all. And the man above me in the morning. Why are you trying to put division in Igbo? Who told you that I am putting division? I am unleashing the truth. All the cases is not on our table. Go and ask my members. All the cases is not on our table. 99% of them feature from Anambra and Enugu. So are you not ashamed of yourself that somebody is coming from another state to come and fight for you? Tell me, no Orodo. Shrine, host Rosundi Bonime Shrine. Or your Omenala, if these people will tolerate it. Tell me if they can ever tolerate it. But they kept quiet because it is in their own states. Your billionaires were the ones who taught us now they go Garo church. It was your billionaires who taught us. Anyone on our own. Okay? We on our own. Your people we are building cathedrals for church and handing it over to them. Did we come there to question you? Omenala will be an Ishi. Church will be an Ishi. When another person is trying to spring up, you find that person hard. You do everything to pull down that person. I won't count to run many things. Obuna stand the person that be state la. Go and read the history. So we can that be on name a business before. Una cho so chola have state. They went back there and start their own business. Ekutoku internet una pota na obo na own tradition obo the highest and other people bo fake. Hello? Chereka wanga ngwa go kwa no on live video. Take. Are you listening to me? Onye ozo me church unu si na obu fake. Onye ozo eme omenala unu si na obu fake. Obu nke unu nwa bụ the original. Mana asụsụ Igbo ọ bụ n'Imo local government n'Imo steeti ka eji dee ya. Igugu Igbo enebe dere rachapụ fancha fa wee pụta. Ọ bụ ndị Imo na-akọsi, ọ bụ ndị Imo na-enye such chance, and if you check, ndị Imo will go and follow that person. Sorry, and na-akọtọsi na-akọpụsi nonsense against your own brother, but they will protect their own. They will protect their own. Ha ga-emegide everything to dismantle that one Ishi n'Imo State wee pụta. Ajụjụ na-ajụ Cubana chief priest bụ those places in Agbo occasion na their own state gafe millions of naira. How many times ka efugoro ha n'Imo State ka ha baba pay the same kind of money? Since anyị achọghị ịmara ihe. Their own brother contested for president. Their own brother contested for president. Did any person from Abia State come out and print poster? Did you see us come aboard to come and fight him? Even in River State where we base, we put the highest number of campaign. In my own local government, I put the highest number of campaign for people to be in my local government. It's a challenge. Go and verify. I can paste evidences here. I organized the 500,000 man march. I laid that point. One of my town person presented his 4 decking. No worry. Orodobashi, Mr. Limbo. Mr. Limbo donated the 4 decking and supported P2B, did everything. We came out in mass. Even in the Monday was on another party. But in your own state, what happened? State Ebeyan was Sepota. Even the party, the immediate party he left, fought him. Did you see any reverend father from Imo State or any priest from Imo State to go na pulpit saying I gave vote to Kulimo? Na gave vote to P2B? I don't care how you see, whether it's division talk, any good. You can block, I know they play. Mother get you oku, you na go give wezoku. So all your hate, the hate is everywhere. Anyone forget, and they mayor to us. Should I place call on now? Or like maybe I will organize this program next time and invite people to try and complain. They wanted to marry them. At the end of the day, the marriage did not hold. The wedding, they ask ladies here. Ladies, if I am lying, tell me that I am lying. Has he not get hold? Why not the lady Imo State? Come to her or Yakula. But the same person in a Bakola. All the mon Abanakola. Monona Jacola on Azon we are school. You don't know? You don't know? The attack on these people. They go and check in there. Ndi Igbo Ebuka Ishi Bayala today. Was that them announced that 1 billion naira? They thought that heavens has entered Imo State. They thought that heaven about Imo State. That was what they thought. They now heard that he's about coming to Imo State. My interest, go don't come and give me any money. My interest is Imo. The same people whom are fighting you today, you went to their place and bought a land and start building rehabilitation center. The land, the price of the land then was 800,000 to 1 million naira. The moment you bought there and started the project, they are now selling lands in that their area for 5 million naira. They did not telecast that one, post it. Oh, they didn't come and tell you thank you. They didn't come and tell you thank you, but they are leaving their shrines. They are getting their blogging money. They are going around there buying lands. Go and check. There is a blogger who always talk about Facebook monetization and all that. Go and check his page. He's now doing advert for land that place for 5 million naira, and you go and buy. This one who said that they have done nothing to me. Go and check how many of them, the percentage of those people fighting him, where are they from? Where are they from? Orukwarana Honimo that time. Ononcha, Onobola will come. I got talk Ebuonya Hasolia. Even Hana no self for now. Ogi face to face. Can I name a business? And I Ogi. You've never seen me go this lane. You have never seen me go this lane. But at some point I get angry. Because if I'm just saying it, you will not understand. Okay, somebody just commented, and I don't want to call her name. Somebody just commented now. He said you are saying the truth. My ex said his family said I'm from Imo State, so they won't allow me. One person just confirmed what I said here. Many of them. My name is Igbo man. The strength you are using to fight Ebuka Obi, why can't you use that strength to fight David Oyedepo? Onye Yoruba ka achọ ogoso na Lagos gba shop go ọkụ. Why can't you use the same strength to fight Apostle Justice Suleiman? Why can't you use the same strength and fight David Ibiomi? Since and I look at many of you, all of that, picture, call, and when Ebuka Obi get make it, and when Zion get make it, and when Ndi Igbo get, no problem. No problem. But let me tell you one thing, if you are arrested and persecuted, those army generals, if you that will give order, say release Yegi, they will walk away and leave you. I have see, Betrayal is a documentary that is attached to everyone's document in life. This is very simple. They will never appreciate it. Ndimo na ma value no una the amount of value upon all the Brits they Simon Bakwe breathed upon you people. You were the first in West Africa, the first state in West Africa, Jirega Bahan Wero Airport. Our forefathers contributed. So why are the mighty falling now? Why are the mighty falling? Why will you join to pull down your brother? We are. Abroad, where you are living abroad. No only mo chairman Ndi Igbo that place. Give for her fight where they will fight him or her. If you pull lawyer down. They will fight that person, can pull lawyer down. Anywhere, Hano. Most times, in the beginning, if you see how they treated Hope of them, they almost isolated him. Obviously, how many big boy, many avoid. Because he did close to some governors. Because he don't hear things. They will be how they see. And when he kiss you here, check you know your people now. Check you know your people. Check you know Ndi Igbo. When he kiss you about plane, Jamie tell Mr. President, I have to Kano. You think Hope will do that? No matter how wicked I feel or not, you think Hope will do that? I will divide it, Anthony. I will keep saying it. What did he get? But you heard the voice note I played there. Did you condemn that? Did you condemn that somebody was planning? No game alleged on Ebuka Obi that Ebuka Obi rape. Did you say anything to that? Or to come and defend? Because you want to always defend and sustain evil.
Next month to J-Pack. My cause a problem. My potassium yes now Ebuka Obi onyo made abortion. The ma kwamu ma cause commotion ma potassium Ebuka Obi and then J-Pack be a near plan area. Ome won't get abortion. They get a cheat more than one or more. She will be a female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because the video go well.
What they need is money. Okay, somebody just said that the blogger advertising land and property with the name of Ebuka Obi has never one day talked good about him. Now he is using him to sell lands. He's using his name to sell lands. Very wicked people, very, very mean people. If I got on the internet, I will just be looking at these people. I will just be looking at them. I will just be looking. Their target about how to reba moto. Moto never bonye na your lineage. Ulo never bonye rotary na your lineage before. Is that why you want to fail yourself? Don't you know that blessings of God can still come with time? If they just want to be relevant on the internet, they just want to be relevant. These videos I am making, I can make it and post it at my monetized page. Or gang up on her everywhere, gang up on her. They want to make money. Somebody said I should play the voice note again. I'll play it. I'll play it.
J-Pack, anybody find way now. If you watch my cancer book, on what I'm going to say, Ebuka Obi money perima. Oh my goodness. Oh, followers I can attack. Local working at Chokan Kiel. Oh, Namo. And never chan Mebu woman. A man who can see by Eko Noah. And make a Tiana from 80-something thousand followers. I know 102,000 followers. If you marry a man and cross at 150, 150, 200, 300. I've got a problem with the follow. You know, Jesus, I love you now. Now, Facebook, nobody go buy you. I put a cool fugal from Madofo. And I bogey you. Comment social gana boil, you know. And I'm working a bourbon. Oh, well. So next month. So, Bacherum. Or next month to J-Pack. My cause a problem. My potassium yes now Ebuka Obi onyo made abortion. The ma kwamu my cause commotion my potassium Ebuka Obi and then J-Pack be a near plan area. Ome won't get abortion. They get a cheat more than one or more. She will be a female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million because I'm the video go well. So next month. So Bacherum.
Omema chirima ya o onyo menjo mgbe njọ ga-abịa gbakwalọsọ. Omema chirima ya brother onyo menjo mgbe njọ ga-abịa gbakwalọsọ. Now let me tell you. You see, such voice note, I have it in my custody for some weeks. Now I may decide not to play it. I may decide not to say anything. Then when I see some of these guys, I will just cross them and go my way. They will say, "Nine guy." They don't understand that you have designated them. You have checked them deep. Hello. Yeah, thank you, brother. Good afternoon. I'm on live program. Okay. Let me put it on loudspeaker. Go ahead.
Yeah, put it on live. Nanya, Igbo State. You are my brother.
Okay.
That is why sometimes if we hear them on social media, you have to put mouth on it. I'm not surprised he play Rekita now. Are you getting me? That voice note he played now without even mentioning the name. Or double the voice note. Man, know this guy and I walk able in son. You see why the things you were making it were cover a good day. In a game of attention. Bruno Yedika, or no, so good dancing. Jepa came for Kitana man take 1 minute. He make that video analyze. But the reason why we're making a high dialogue because again accusation. And why accusation cannot arrest that guy is because no neighbor is state. Can that mean now no one was said for no Yanabra that accusation? Obona came up for this guy. Jepa came on this voice note, Bobble bastard. But he hide it out of social media. And just when can he play it that nobody will know about this thing. And don't get your cake and this kind of he will never play it because of getting accusation. But Bruno knows when the game wants don't get your cake and some months ago, where accused of Fadambaka to what I want him. Which this man and Vocalistus, no Angola. But I will go get here. Can you bring the proof? Today, okay, she could not bring the proof. Another one, okay, so can bring the himself and the social media. Where's that an old voice note? About Fadambaka, from the media 4 to 5. They will speak here against Ebuka Obi. And these people are here, terrorizing people on social media that we arrest them. But Akutana have never arrested those for saying against Fadambaka, Western Fadambaka, no voice note, about 4 to 5 people. If Akutana or Zion Ministry arrest anybody, one Ebuka Obi, they have to arrest as well. For that proof, Fadambaka, Obotam, Tibia 5 or 4, they will speak against Ebuka Obi. When this video, can I jump at him and that man, that Libya, only interview. Even ever email last time, Nike, he didn't be an challenge, and they were all containing the gate. Dear Nana, could you read the mayor of Kaha, 1 or 2 of us?
Always open.
I expected you and the chairback, who look to Uno, that man, all of the motor car at that moment. Lay my findings on that matter. If for that man, Amam Kundos or she George had their own. Yeah, we had that man in the jail in that man Abru Dibia. Nobody is sending that man. I threw the man an arrow. The man, he take here Lord choosing Kuru. The man Nejaki Agagarian at different churches. Of which I know now on a camera. If you watch, people did not pick that point. And with some of the videos also that I will still post because I told me many questions. You understand? Yes. The man, no, he watch him. And we put to what I told him. I'm on this video, the second one. And we put to that to him. Now, I was asking him, putting it to him direct. Check your tumsina jada. But people who cannot sacrifice even their time or their money to run your daughter, yeah. They will never, they can't even try, they can't do what you do. But they will stand to criticize it. I asked the man, Nazayon paid you money. Or say no. You understand? People did not see these ones. Because that man didn't want to shrine. You watch a video. I'm a mobile the second video. This one.
Okay.
Nobody is sending that man. That man.
Oh, agro.
Nobody, no church, no individual paid this man to come out.
Nobody paid him. Nobody paid. I want you to pick this point. That same man, American matter na interview. The video is still on this phone. Otherwise, I cannot play. We are live here now. The man American water. Name one pastor. Yagra na church. Yaganye testimony. Oma ajizun julia koji confess ya inha. Yagra de aganye testimony. You understand? Now the pastor will metari ebere. Nye yo law. We kwe yankwa no gazori ya boss. Now he started fighting that pastor because the pastor did not buy him boss. Mwe joya na video see. At what date exactly will you start fighting Ebuka Obi?
Okay.
For not giving you the same boss you have been looking for. The man Metrajonia confess here. You understand? The man Metrajonia confess here there. No baguru will help we abia to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. 2. Na afro na we video ya watch re. Fuebe Ebuka Obi nyere 1 GB at 300,000 naira.
Yes.
Na etie wo. So eba kademanji mana na ha wo business.
Governor Zoku, if we are to this man na churches,
yes. Yes.
That is greedy. Mana Governor Zoku, can you take all the proof what I want him and no proof Father Baka could be 4 to 5. Can you speak against Ebuka Obi? And nobody is saying anything. Nobody arrested cannot get you come to court and prove that. I have the video if you like, I'll send it to you. Which I made the video today about 1 hour ago. I cannot get to say that. And the accusation did not come out and condemn that
okay. My brother, for me, I believe I'm saying this thing on camera. The last thing in game no wa we gwa na mbaka to wura mmadu ime. Hold on, sir. I'm not talking about Ogechi. I am telling you me now. Okay. I will not go as far as accusing Mbaka of rape. 2. Mbaka dina go di all his rights.
Okay.
It's none of my business. Order easy.
Okay.
Order easy.
Then what about that ever was Mbaka produce for?
My brother, that is not why I'm here, my brother. I'm not here for Mbaka. I'm not here for him, sir. I'm not here for him. Thank you, sir.
Keep it up.
Thank you very much, sir.
This is what I have to say.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Governor Zogu is here. Governor Zogu is here. To anything nobly name, check you off, ma. Nakwe cheki. Nakwe cheki. Even this idiot can't speak against Ogechi. Okay, Lord Ninkom. Goodbye from this page. Enwe level, enwe bandre mmadụ ga-eru. You have limit to everything. So, this is my message for you. Before I leave this live broadcast, I'll continue some other time because I have emergency here right now. Let me play this voice note again, then I'll walk off.
Dear Park, anybody they find way now. If you watch my Kansi Poku, on what I'm going to say, Ebuka Obi Bonyuri Monet Perima. Oh, Magono, oh, followers I can attack, or one walking at Chokwan Kiel, oh, Namo, and never chan, Mebo, a man who can see by Noah. They make a Tiana from 80-something thousand followers, I know 102,000 followers. If you marry the man and cross at 150, 150, 200, 300.
Ekene, if you say you want to apologize, I can send you invitation. Let me send you request here. Let me send you request. I'm sending you request. You can join now.
Jump back. Anybody they find way now. If you watch my Kansi Ekwoku, Ebuka Obi Onyuri Mone Ekperima.
These people they will give you the
followers like an attack, and working at Chokwan Kiel. Oh, Namo.
This voice note will have two opposites. But I wonder why the person who gave me this information. My brother, you are welcome.
Thank you, my brother.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you, my brother.
You are welcome.
Yeah. Honestly, I know that this is your life. I feel like crying because some of these bloggers, particularly me by myself, what they are talking about Ebuka Obi. In fact, not any of whatever that Ebuka Obi is doing that I'm believing. Most of people may know me from comments. Anytime I say anything from Ebuka Obi, I used to feel like Ebuka Obi is deceiving and damaging our people. But I don't know that this is what the bloggers are doing behind door. So I'm deeply sorry for my brother Ebuka Obi for believing all this gang up against him.
Thank you.
Honestly, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for him. Honestly, God knows why that He made me to come and meet this life.
Thank you, sir.
And God have disposed everything for me. So, sincerely from my heart, I'm so sorry for believing on all this rubbish of some bloggers.
Thank you very much, sir.
But it shall be well with Ebuka Obi and all the people that is fighting for good.
Amen.
For our neighbor.
Amen.
For our neighbor. Okay, Mr. Governor Ezoku.
He said.
Your multiply you.
Amen.
All your heart's desire.
Amen. Amen.
Thank you so much.
Amen. Thank you, brother.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother.
Let me
Thank you.
continue my business. Yeah.
So Governor Ezoku is here. Messi, I'm still ready to block any other person. Did you see the guy insulted me? He called nonsense here and block all this place. I don't know the can't trash many of you. Preach till tomorrow. Some people swore an oath. They swore an oath with their life never to get sense. Somebody come on my life to insult me on my page. And you want me to tolerate that? When I am proving something to you, you are seeing the gospel truth. Now respect here yourself. Each all you can just vote out. And you don't even need to comment here. The day they will do you something, you will come to me. You will come and complain. You will see it now. Our bloggers, what is well? Thank you, everyone. My name is Governor Ezoku, son of the great Shaddai that lives among the angels. I'll see you some other time. And I must continue. Chisom Galos, my man. My man. Then call my people. Thank you and goodbye. See you some other time.